What's up, Boggs gang? Good morning. It's early in the morning. My wife is still asleep. I got my baby right here. I got both of my twins that woke up with me. They woke me up. So I don't usually cook for my wife. She usually cooks for me. But today, I'm gonna be doing the cooking. So let's go. I really don't know how to cook. I might need y'all's help, but I think we got it. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. She's sleeping. Shh, 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 shh. We gotta be quiet. No, come on. Y'all don't judge me for giving my babies popsicles early in the morning. Keeps them quiet. Anyways, here we go. Good morning to you.
Thank you.
Look at that. That's a 5-star meal. Ain't that right? You agree? You agree? You like that right there? Yeah. You like it? No, yeah. Hey, you want some of your butter too? Okay. Whoa, big. Whoa. Alright, guys. It was a complete success. She said it was so good, and I might get some. Lucky man. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't, because some people's watching my videos and not subscribing. I peep game. I seen it. You're lame. So make sure y'all subscribe, please. So subscribe, hit the notification bell. We're gonna be dropping more videos daily, so make sure you do. Other than that, I covered everything. I'm out.